Hello, teacher and classmate. My name is Marjorie Morocho, and today I'm talking about the Unit 2, Designing a Research Project Part 1. And within this topic, we have the point 2.3, the research problem and its importance, and the point 2.4, difference between the research problem and other parts of the research. Now, I will talk about the importance of the research problem. And to begin researching, it is important to be clear about what the research problem is, like a specific issue, difficulty, or knowledge gap that a research aims to investigate, it, address, or solve. This provides us with a clear direction for the research, helping to establish its objectives and goals. Because this helps us to have a starting point for the research where the researcher is clear about we want to investigate it. We must also understand the why and what is the need to conduct the research in such a way that it is the focus for achieving a good result in a research project. That is the why the research problem is compared to the foundation of a house because it is the fundamental basis to start the research and avoid problems later on. And we must be clear about these points that I present in this image. Point 1, identify the problem to start research. Point 2, why and what is the need to conduct the research. And point 3, it is compared to the foundation of a house because it is the starting point of the investigation. Now, I talk about the difference between the research problem and other parts of the research. The, the research problem is a key point that we will focus on solving, unlike other parts of the research process. For example, literature review help us obtain theoretical foundation, which we will find in books, web stations, and others. Methodology. It shows us what approach the research would take, quantitative and qualitative. And research question is the question formulated to guide the research, often derived from the problem. And these are all parts of the tools that we will need to develop the research and solve the research problem. In conclusion, uh, we can say if we don't have the research problem, we can start the research project. Thank you.